Hey guys, my name is Myeisha Shanell. In today's video, I'll be doing the no makeup look. So without further ado, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Please don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my NYX eyebrow gel. You want to put it on the brush lightly. You really don't want to put too much on. A little bit goes a long way. And this is supposed to be the no makeup look, so it wouldn't look right if it was all the way done. But if you don't have eyebrows, you have to like fill it in more. So right here, all I'm doing is taking the brow brush and just brushing my eyebrows over. Pretty much right now, all I'm doing is my eyebrows. I'm going to speed up through this because you could do your eyebrows however you want to do them. But this is just how I do them. So I'm about to attempt to do my other eyebrow off camera. So if you guys watch my birthday Get Ready With Me, you would have seen that my eyebrow, one of them is way bigger than the other one. So I always have to like make them look a certain way so they could look somewhat even. I really need to shape them up, but I'm just being lazy. And if you did watch my birthday Get Ready With Me, you will see that I did talk about doing this look because I did a look similar to this before. Now I know it looked like a struggle, but watch to the end of the video because I really do fix this up. And so right here I'm just using a cotton swab and I'm just trying to clean up that area. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Cool Tan. And I'm just going to conceal around my eyebrows. That way I could clean up the mistakes that I made. And I like to blend it in with my finger, and then sometimes I'll go back over it with a brush just to make sure I can blend it in well. But it's just so much easier to use your finger. So my eyebrows, well, the one probably look a mess, but I'm gonna go over it off camera, I think, because I want it to look good in real life as well, not just on camera. So now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Perfecting Base, and I'm just going to rub that all over my skin. And I found that my makeup lasts longer and it looks so much better when I use this. So I will start using this on the regular. So I'm going to take my Fit Me Matte Foundation in the color 355 Coconut, and this is a really good inexpensive foundation, so you guys should get it, and it has full coverage. It always looks perfect every time I use it. And if you guys didn't know, matte foundation is really good for oily skin, which I do have, so that is why I always use matte foundation. You want to make sure that you blend this in really well. You do not want no streak marks, you don't want it looking raggedy. You want your makeup to look natural and flawless. So this is how it looks so far. It looks really good. So I'm going to take my concealer again and I'm going to put it on my face this time. My cheeks, on my nose, under my chin, and then I think on my forehead too. You also want to make sure that you blend this in really well. I use the end of the blending brush and I just pat it down really good because I want a nice finished look. Like, I don't want to see any streak marks or anything that's not blended in well. And I'm already starting to feel it. I'm like, yes, I'm getting there. So I got a little concealer on my eyebrows. You can easily clean this up. And then the next segment, you can see that it looks really good. I done fixed it. So now I'm going to take my NYX Warner stick. And first I'm going to go on the lighter side first. I noticed the stick doesn't show on camera that good. It doesn't pop up on me as much as I thought it would. And I think it's because it's like almost identical to my skin. Especially the darker shade is like almost exactly like my skin. So like it blends in so well. I forgot to mention you contour in the same places that you conceal on your face. And again, you're going to make sure you blend it in really well. I don't know if I mentioned it, guys, but I am using the darker part of the NYX stick. And as you can see, like I said, it is almost like my skin color. So it's like blending in really well. Okay, so right here I'm taking my Hello Halo highlighter. And I'm going to use actually both colors. I'm going to start with the pink. And as you can see, this highlighter is so bomb. It blends in with my melanin so well. You just make your cheekbones like really like pop. So right here I'm going to take the silver. And I felt like it was a little bit too bright, so I did rub it in with my fingers and then ended up mashing out with my skin really well. I really hope y'all paying close attention. Don't be saying, oh, it didn't come out good when I tried it. Pay close attention. And I also do have a skincare routine. I'll link that in the cards or the description box as well. Oh my gosh, y'all, I really forgot my Airspun loose setting powder. So you want to lightly put this on and lightly open it because I spilled it all over the floor. I was so pissed off. So the purpose of setting powder is to set your makeup. So after you're done, you're supposed to like, set it so it can stay and last longer. Just for that nice little finished look. And you do have to blow on it because sometimes the powder can be like going everywhere. So I'm taking my Total Temptation mascara and I just want my eyelashes to pop a little more. If you guys made it this far, please comment a train emoji so I know you watched almost the whole video. Last but not least, I'm taking my Cocoa Butter Vasaline chapstick. And I'm just applying it to my lips because I want a natural lip look. And then I'm going to take my NYX Ginger Snap. I want mostly the color because I want it to look natural but cute at the same time. You really don't have to do this. I'm just being extra at this point. As you can see, it's the perfect combination. So now it's time to get my hair ready. Ladies, under your wigs, you want to make sure that you always are moisturizing your hair. Like, I always put mousse or some oil or something in my hair to keep it moisturized. You don't want it to be dry and breaking off under there, unprotected. Okay, so I got this hair wrap from the Daplugg Kartell. It's Daplugg Kartell. And you can find them on Instagram. They sell like Louis Vuitton scarves and stuff like that, name brand things, just like a dupe of that. I believe they are a black-owned business, but don't quote me on that. So all I did was put the scarf on. I'm gonna end up tying it in the bow and also showing you guys the back of it. I don't know, today I just wanted to go for that little bit of extra look for my hair. Just something. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I am going on a date later on today with my man, so yes. The jacket and the jeans are both from Fashion Nova. I do have a video on my channel. I'll link it in the description box. I will be uploading some pictures. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified.